New Air Wick Freshmatic Max Pure with orange and grapefruit scent. It sprays automatic, a fresh scent of perfume out, to let your room smell clean all the time. In this video, we want to show you how to assemble and set this air freshener up. The instructions are pretty straightforward. So just relax and enjoy this tutorial video. Feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.